Introducing Murata's syringe tracking solution. FDA 21 CFR 610.14 requires chemical containers to be provided with information such as ingredients and manufacturing lot numbers for use in inspections using identity testing means and to ensure error-free operations. To meet this requirement, manufacturers are seeking methods that are more accurate than existing identity testing modes. Color code rings are commonly used today as identification method for syringes prior to labeling. Alternative methods considered include RFID and 2D coding. Syringe management solutions for individual identification are faced with various challenges. Currently, Murata is collaborating with pharmaceutical and syringe companies to propose syringe tracking solution using RFID micro tags. In this solution, RFID tags will be attached to needle shields, RNS, on syringes for individual identification. RFID solution has a huge potential compared to the conventional color code rings and other individual identification methods. RFID solution saves you from having to do visual inspections. Information can be scanned after packing into sealed containers. Introduction is possible at affordable costs, not to mention with limited changes in syringe manufacturing and design while achieving minimal contamination risks. Syringe does not need to be redesigned thanks to the micro tags being embedded in the caps. By attaching the tags in the manufacturing phase, it becomes possible to write and read lot numbers, quality information, and other data stored in the RFID tags from the manufacturing phase to the filling phase of syringes. How does the RFID solution identify individual syringes? Let's look at a demonstration of reading syringe data of a batch of syringes and individual syringes. When syringes are shipped to pharmaceutical companies from syringe manufacturers, they are stored and packed in a tub. Even packaged syringes can collectively be scanned in tub units, enabling quick and accurate inspections. During filling, it is possible to serially write and read RFID tags while each and individual syringe is moving through the process. A review of the possibility of introducing RFID to the industry is underway in cooperation with syringe suppliers, system integrators, and other relevant players based on the request by the end users at pharmaceutical companies. Applied use in the aftermarket, including medical institutions or pharmacies, is expected in the future based on the RFID information embedded in the containers.